Don't wait up. इंतज़ार म कवा. Don't wait up. This ointment can work on your skin. دا ملهم ستا په سرمن کار کولی شي. This ointment can work on your skin. I am afraid of ghosts. زه د پیریانو نه یریږم. I am afraid of ghosts. She is a nerveless employee. هغه یو کمزوري ملازمه ده. She is a nerveless employee. I am not afraid of ghosts. زه د پیریانو نه یریږم. I am not afraid of ghosts. He drives like a lunatic. هغه د یو پاگل په شان ګاډی چلی. He drives like a lunatic. That movie was scary. هغه فیلم د یری و. یا تاسو داسې ویلی شئ دغه فیلم د یری و. That movie was scary. It's not greed but anyway. دا لالچ نه بلکې حسد دی. It's not greed but anyway. Everybody is afraid of something. هر څوک د څه نه څه شیز نه یریږي. Everybody is afraid of something. Envy never dies. حسد هیڅ کله نه لر کیږي. Envy never dies. Look into my eyes. زما په سترګو کې وګوره. Look into my eyes. We have no proof of her guilt. مونږ سره د هغې د قصور هیڅ ثبوت نشته. We have no proof of her guilt. Your eyes are red. ستا سترګې سرې دي. Your eyes are red. He admitted his guilt. هغه خپل قصور قبول کو. He admitted his guilt. What are you looking at? ته څه ته ګورې. What are you looking at? Don't intrude in a family dispute. د خاندان په جګړه کې مداخلت مه کوه. Don't intrude in a family dispute. Have a look at this. په دې یو نظر واچوه. Have a look at this. I don't want to intrude into your life. زه ستا په ژوند کې مداخلت کول نه غواړم. I don't want to intrude into your life. He winked at me. هغه ما ته سترګه ووهله. He winked at me. Cleaning up the city is a mammoth task. د ښار صفایي او غټ کار دی. Cleaning up the city is a mammoth task. What took you so long? پس دې دومره وخت ولګېد. What took you so long? I am sorry I am late. بخښنه غواړم په ما ناوخته شو. I am sorry I am late. His failure made him desperate. د هغه ناکامۍ هغه مایوسه کو. His failure made him desperate. I was stuck in traffic. زه په امدوربط کې انحتی وم. I was stuck in traffic. یا تاسو داسې ویلی شئ زه په ټریفیک کې ګیر شوی وم. I can't hear your voice. ستا आवाज نه راځي. I can't hear your voice. Your voice is breaking up. ستا आवाज کټ کیږي. Your voice is breaking आप. Could you speak up please? آیا ته به لږ په تیزه ووایې؟ Could you speak up please? Your room is fully furnished. ستا کمره مکمل طور باندې سجاو شوې ده. Your room is fully furnished. Okay. I am gonna hang up now. صحیح ده. زه اوس فون ږدم. Okay. I am gonna hang up now. Barking dog seldom bite. چې څومره ګړزیږي دومره وریږي نه. Barking dog seldom bite. My battery is dead. بیټري مې ختم شوه. My battery is dead. I am fine. And how are you? زه ښه یم او تاسو څنګه یې؟ I am fine. And how are you? There is a lovely glass in her hair. د هغې په ویښتو کې یو ښکلی چمک دی. There is a lovely glass in her hair. Thank you for calling. د کال کولو مننه. Thank you for calling. I will love you forever. زه به تل تا سره مینه کوم. I will love you forever. It's a crucial decision. دا یو اهم فیصله ده. It's a crucial decision. I am afraid of losing you. زه ستا د زیانمن کېدو نه یریږم. زیانمن کېده یعنی ضایع کېده. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ زه ستا د ضایع کېدو نه یریږم. I am afraid of losing you. I don't want to lose you at any cost. زه په هیڅ قیمت تا بایلل نه غواړم. I don't want to lose you at any cost. It's a vast desert. دا یو وسیع صحرا ده. It's a vast desert. I don't want to lose you again. زه تا بیا بایلل نه غواړم. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ زه تا دوباره بایلل نه غواړم. I don't want to lose you again. There was an awkward silence. هغلته یو عجیبه خاموشي وه. There was an awkward silence. I promise you. زه تا سره لوس کوم. I promise you. I will never let anything happen to you. زه به دې هیڅکله خرابیله ورنکم. I will never let anything happen to you. He works in the nearby police station. هغه د نږدې پولیسو ماموریت کې کار کوي. He works in the nearby police station. یعنی مطلب دا چې هغه د نږدې پولیس سټیشن کې کار کوي. Will you stand by me during the tough times? آیا ته به په سخت وخت کې زما ملګرتیا وکړې؟ Will you stand by me during the tough times? I will never leave your side. زه به هیڅکله ستا سات پرېنږدم. I will never leave your side. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ زه به هیڅکله ستا ملګرتیا پرېنږدم. Come what may. چې هر څه وي. Come what may. Your assessment is substantially correct. ستا اندازه کافي حده پورې صحیح ده. Your assessment is substantially correct. I want to be with you forever. زه تل ستا سره اوسېده غواړم. I want to be with you forever. The film was a complete flop. فلم مکمل ناکام و. The film was a complete flop. I can do anything for you. زستا د پاره هر څه کوي شم. I can do anything for you. You are my everything. تما د پاره هر څه. You are my everything. The car was stuck in the mud. موټر خټه کې نښتی و. The car was stuck in the mud. You are my world. ته زما دنیا یې. You are my world. I am nothing without you. زه ستا نه بغیر هیڅ نه یم. I am nothing without you. He has a notion. د هغه یو خیال دی. He has a notion. I don't want to lose you. زه نه غواړم چې تا بایلم. I don't want to lose you. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نور چې کوم ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.